Activity 1. Determine whether each function table is linear or non-linear. So this is 1 to 5. Pakikopya muna sa inyong notebook or papel. And then, sagutan natin maya-maya. Okay, so tapos nyo nang nakopya. Sagutan na natin. So, balik tayo sa number 1 muna. Okay, so again, we are going to find the difference of the x values. So, isubtract natin muna itong mga x values natin. So, negative 1 minus negative 2 is positive 1. 0 minus negative 1 is positive 1. 1 minus 0 is 1. And 2 minus 1 is 1. Okay, so constant ang rate of change ng values ng x natin sa values ng y natin naman. So 2 minus negative 1 is positive 3. 5 minus 2 is positive 3. 8 minus 5 is 3. And 11 minus 8 is 3. Okay, so ang rate of change ng values ng y natin ay constant din. So therefore, yung number 1 table function natin is a linear function. Okay, next number 2. So 4 minus 5 is negative 1. 3 minus 4 is negative 1. 2 minus 3 is negative 1. And 1 minus 2 is negative 1. So, ang rate of change ng values ng x natin dito ay constant din. Okay, tingnan natin sa values ng y. So, 2 minus negative 1 is positive 3. 5 minus 2 is positive 3. 8 minus 5 is 3. And 11 minus 8 is 3. So, the rate of change ng values ng y natin dito ay constant din. So, this is a linear function. Okay, number 3. So, negative 4 minus negative 5 is positive 1. Negative 3 minus negative 4 is positive 1. Negative 2 minus negative 3 is positive 1. And negative 1 minus negative 2 is positive 1. So, ang rate of change ay constant or the same. Punta tayo sa values ng y. So, 11 minus 15, that is negative 4. 7 minus 11 is negative 4. 3 minus 7 is negative 4. And negative 1 minus 3 is negative 4. So, ang rate of change is ng values ng y natin ay constant din. So, habang ang values ng x natin ay nag-increase ng 1, ang values ng y naman natin ay nagdi-decrease ng 4. So, this is a linear function. Okay, number 4. So, subtract ulit natin. So, negative 1 minus negative 2. That is positive 1. 0 minus negative 1 is positive 1. And 1 minus 0 is 1. 2 minus 1 is 1. So, ang rate of change ng y natin is constant. Tingnan natin sa values ng y natin kung siya ay constant din. So, 0 minus 1, it gives you negative 1. 1 minus 0 is positive 1. 4 minus 1 is 3. And 9 minus 4 is 5. Okay, so kung makikita natin, yung values ng y natin dito, hindi siya the same or hindi siya constant. So, itong function number 4 is a non-linear function. Okay? Last, number 5. So, subtract natin yung negative 2, negative 4. So, negative 2 minus negative 4, positive 2. 1 minus negative 2 is positive 3. 3 minus 1 is positive 2. And 4 minus 3 is 1. So, kung mapapansin natin dito sa values ng x, hindi na constant yung lumalabas. So, pag dito pa lang sa values ng x ay hindi na constant ang lumalabas, huwag na natin ituloy yung nasa baba. Okay? So, pwede na kayo mag-conclude dito na yung function is a non-linear function. Okay?